to our English grammar course. If you want to speak English confidently, write correctly, and improve your communication skills, then you are in the right place. In the course, we will learn English grammar from the very beginning in a very simple way. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can follow every single step of ours, every single lessons without difficulty. Now let me tell you what is English grammar. English grammar is the set of rules that tells us how to use words correctly to make meaningful sentences. Just as traffic rules help vehicles move safely on the road, grammar rules help us to speak out and to write English clearly and correctly. For example, she go to school every day. I think that this is the wrong sentence. Whenever we will be writing she, any pronoun, we will be using it with es or s, the basic rule of saying that. For example, she goes to school every day. This sentence is correct. Now I will be telling you the course, what this course will be including. Here you go. Firstly, what will you learn in this course? Parts of speech, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, articles, prepositions, conjunctions, tenses, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, modals, question formation, sentence structure, common grammar mistakes, and in the end of every video or the course, you will be having practice questions. In the end of the video, you can revise, sum it up, and follow the questions. Now I will be telling you how to learn grammar effectively. First, watch one lesson every day. Second, take notes while learning. Third, practice the examples. Fourth, complete the exercises. Revise regularly. And last but not the least, use grammar in your daily conversations and writing. So, this is just the beginning of our English learning journey. I will be giving you answer of the basic question. Why is grammar important? First, grammar helps you in speak English confidently. Second, write correct sentences. Third, avoid common mistakes. Fourth, improve your reading and writing skills. And last, perform better in school, college, interviews, and competitive exams. Grammar is the foundation of the English language. The stronger your grammar, the better your English and the better your conversations. So, firstly, we need to focus on pronunciations, secondly, vocabulary, and thirdly, the grammar. So, basically, we will be starting with the grammar because grammar is important to form the sentences when you are having a conversation. Small daily practice leads to big improvement. This is just the beginning of your English learning journey. In the next lesson, we will learn about parts of speech, the basic building head of English grammar. Grammar is a step-by-step process. Small daily practice leads to big improvement. This is just the beginning of your English training journey. In the next lesson, we will learn about parts of speech, the basic building block of English grammar. If you find this video helpful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming grammar. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning!